Hi everyone, today I am going to take you part 7th video about 27 years load bearing old home extension and interior project which is located in Isra Bangalore. Completion of TV unit, puja unit and sliding wardrobe. We are going to start the minimalist fall ceiling, teakwood main door and entire house painting. Regarding the fall ceiling, we combined the kitchen and living area with a minimalist fall ceiling after client finalized the design. This minimalist fall ceiling design focuses on clean lines and making them perfect for both modern and traditional homes. If you want to see last videos about civil and interior work, link given in description. I am Pawan Kumar, the founder of Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company in Bangalore. The one-stop paid for end-to-end old home renovation, bathroom renovation, interior design, and if you are planning for Bangalore tile pergola, glass pergola, please contact us today. Before starting the work, we marked on the ceiling where frame actually going to be placed. Then we started framework with the help of aluminium channels and small anchor bolts. After the completion of framework, the wiring work began, where the actual light points will be installed. Completion of wiring work, the fall ceiling work starts with placing the gypsum board on the frame. When finalized with plaster of Paris, upon completion of all these work, our painter finalizes the fall ceiling by sanding and painting. When considering the minimalist fall ceiling design, have to think about lightings. Here we integrated 9-watt concealed light and warm rope light for outer corner, which can enhance the sleekness of the fall ceiling. Next, coming to the main door, put the door. Here we used Burma teakwood that is completely seasoned. Otherwise, cracks will appear in future. Here we have done handmade polish with brass hinges and handle for traditional look. Next we are moving to the painting part. Here we used royal paint for inside of the home and weatherproof Ultima for outside of the home from the brand Asian Paints. Inside the home, first we apply 2 coats of putty work, then sanding and check alignment of the wall. Then applied the base primer and 2 coats of morning glory paint. By this painting work, we completed this project successfully. Just have a look. For more videos about end-to-end old home renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, please subscribe our channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Thank you.